On the golden savanna, a lion eyes its next target, a massive rhinoceros. One predator, one tank of a beast. The air grows tense. Who will make the first move? The lion creeps closer, muscles coiled like springs. The rhino senses danger, snorts, and shifts its massive weight. Every step could trigger a battle of survival. With lightning speed, the lion lunges for the flank, but the rhino spins, horn forward, slamming hooves into the dirt. The earth shakes as predator meets powerhouse in a titanic clash. The lion slashes with sharp claws, trying to pierce the rhino's armor. The rhino charges, horn and hooves striking with unstoppable force. Strength against speed, predator versus living tank, the battle rages on. Exhausted but determined, they circle each other. The rhino's horn gleams, the lion's teeth bared. Neither willing to give up the fight, the savanna holds its breath. Who dominates this clash of titans, the agile lion or the unstoppable rhino? Comment below, smash that like button, and subscribe to PD Wild Truth for more epic battles straight from the wild.